The code, it come across as NA, so whatever the issue is, it didn't register. So I cleared the code to see if it will generate again. There is a squeak now.
The actual squeaking in the video, I did not know this at the time, but that is actually the PCV.
That could be just because
PVC, yeah, PCV valve.
Almost a week.
That's actually making that noise. So
Gonna do a trash run.
A good test,
drive,
if you have that noise, put your finger over the PCV valve, and it will get louder. Thank you for watching, and the rest of the video is on replacing the actual valve cover gasket.
Welcome to Stands Out Repair. Today is 2014 Chevy Cruze 1.4 Turbo. The PCV, no, not PCV, the PCV. Well, that valve is bad. So, and it's not a simple fix. You got to get the whole valve cover. And if you're wondering where the PCV is located, it's right here. Issues you'll get is you go to take off, the car doesn't respond, hesitation, sputtering, come to a stop, the car kind of a little bit, got to give it a little gas so it don't stall out. You get a real loud squeaking noise, almost sounds like a wet belt, but that's air. That's your valve cover leaking air. So to remove it, you need a T25. That's to remove the 2 bolts on top of your coil pack. You have a little wire over here on the side. You got a clip, pop it out, then you can pop that off. Then you need to remove the wire harness from the back. Pop it here, pops out here, then you got this little clip. Pull that out, and then this wire harness comes out. And then you can get the actual socket. I forget the size of it. I've actually misplaced the socket, so I got this specialty 5/16 socket. It just came with a tool set I had when I ended up getting this garage. So I'm not for sure where you'd get this one, but that's what it looks like. And then you just go around and loosen. There's total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 outside and 4 inside. Once you get those released, you need to pop it off, which I need to go get, not a flathead, a little paint scraper, and try to gently knock it off. So I'll be back. So just get you a paint scraper, and then right here you can see where the gasket meets the top of the valve body. Just slide it in there, kind of work it, and then you can lift up, and that will break the seal. Oh, and one other, you will need to remove your dipstick, because the dipstick actually goes through the valve cover. Bolts are loose. Okay. Nothing else is connected. Nope, don't look like it. I'm gonna work on getting this off, because getting it one-handed is not working too well. All right, you'll also need a little flathead. Get inside here. You'll see a little clip. You can kind of see a little clip right there. You need to push it out of the way and then slide this harness up off the valve cover. And then you just pull the valve cover right off. And you can lay it to the side. And then here's the new one. You'll need your oil cap too, unless you buy a new one. And you need your dipstick unless you buy a new one. The new one for about $70 from Advance Auto comes with new bolts and a new actual valve cover gasket, so you won't need any of that. Next thing I need to do is get a rag, clean this up. It's not really bad. I should just be able to wipe it off. Get some sealant for right here. You do need to add a little sealant here and a little sealant back here. That's the only two spots that requires any like silicone, valve cover silicone, is here and here. I'm gonna get to working on that and I'll be back. Okay, felt I didn't catch any of this recording putting this on my phone. For some odd reason I hit record and it decided to switch to photo. But anyways, when you go to put this back on, first hand tighten each bolt in a crisscross pattern, kind of like this. Once you do that, go through, snug them all up, then go through starting with each one and do a quarter turn on each one, and then go through for one final tight down and just do it to where, like, see, to where you can't turn it anymore. But be gentle. Be gentle. The most assuredly, be gentle. And the part number for this valve cover PCV setup is 264968. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and remember, if it's broke, fix it. Sorry for the dinging, but these are the codes you'll get if your valve cover is bad. P1101 and P171. And then now I'll go in and erase. Boom. Unplug it and start the vehicle. And then check for leaks. All right, we're good.